Hey, it's Tory, your Deako liaison. The Deako app is a great way to expand the capabilities of your smart switch. And in this video, we're going to quickly show you how to get it set up. After you've downloaded and logged into the app, you'll be taken to the setup dashboard where you can choose where you want to go next. Now, select pairing devices. But if you don't see this, tap the blue plus button on the bottom of the home screen and then select device. You'll want to select switch. Also, be sure to tap no if it asks you if your lights are controlled by more than one switch. Since we're only connecting one switch, this isn't needed at this time. You'll get to a point in the in-app instructions where it tells you to press and hold the switch, which means you'll hold the face or main button of the switch until the LED turns blue. At this point, the app should react and identify that there's a switch in pairing mode and connect it. If you've run into issues of any kind, please reach out to our support team at support@deako.com. See you soon.